Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OrderBump with Shopify checkout step by step clearly. To authorize OrderBump with Shopify checkout, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. Search for OrderBump in the Shopify App Store. Click on the OrderBump app from the search results. Press the Add App button to install OrderBump on your Shopify store. Once installed, you will be redirected to the OrderBump setup page. Follow the prompts to create your OrderBump account or log in if you already have one. After signing in, you will be guided to authorize OrderBump with your Shopify store. Click on the Authorize button to grant access permissions. Review the permissions that OrderBump requires and click Accept to proceed. Once authorized, you will be returned to the OrderBump dashboard. Here, you can configure your OrderBump settings. Start by selecting the products you want to enable OrderBump for. Customize the OrderBump offer details, including pricing and presentation. Save the changes to apply the OrderBump settings to your store. Test the checkout process to ensure OrderBump is functioning correctly. Check for the OrderBump offer at the checkout page. If everything looks good, you are now set with OrderBump on Shopify checkout. Congratulations on successfully authorizing OrderBump. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.